standing here watching a rocket rise, and suddenly it explodes. Your heart jumps, smoke and fire everywhere. Would anyone survive? Could humans ever go this far? Most people never see this up close. But this is what actually happens. Rockets are powerful but fragile, and inside, astronauts are strapped in like insects in a cage, feeling every vibration, every sound. Where one tiny valve can decide life or death. It's terrifying. And yet people do it anyway because exploring space demands risk. Rockets carry thousands of tons of liquid fuel and oxygen under extreme pressure. And if something goes wrong, they tear themselves apart piece by piece, sending debris in every direction, most of it burning up or falling into the ocean. Which is why launches happen over open water and safety zones are strictly enforced. Modern rockets have escape systems that fire the capsule away from danger in milliseconds, saving lives in tests, and engineers watch every failure closely, analyzing telemetry, structural damage, and lessons learned. SpaceX intentionally tests rockets to failure because failing fast teaches faster, and every explosion becomes a stepping stone towards safer, reusable rockets. After each test, they redesign, retest, and push the limits further, until finally rockets lift off perfectly. Boosters return safely, capsules land, and every explosion, every terrifying moment, becomes a step closer to exploring Mars and beyond because space is hard. Progress is harder, but humanity keeps reaching for the stars. Every launch is more than steel and fire. It's a story of human courage, of engineers staring at screens, hearts racing, hands frozen, knowing that one small miscalculation could erase months, even years of work in an instant. Rockets are not just machines. They are extensions of human ambition, obsession, and imagination. And behind every plume of smoke, behind every roar of engines, there are people daring to dream bigger than Earth itself. Imagine being inside the control room as a rocket tears apart mid-air, watching your creation disintegrate in slow motion, feeling the weight of failure and the thrill of discovery at the same time, knowing this very explosion will save lives on the next mission. Imagine the astronauts strapped inside the capsule, trusting that every system, every wire, every line of code will protect them, counting seconds that feel like hours, staring at fire outside their window, yet believing in human ingenuity more than fear. Explosions are terrifying, chaotic, beautiful, and necessary. They are lessons written in fire and smoke, pushing humanity further than ever before. Every piece of debris falling into the ocean is a story of trial and error, of mistakes turned into data, of calculated risk and relentless persistence. Humans have always sought the edge, from climbing mountains to crossing oceans. And rockets are simply the latest frontier, where failure is violent, public, and unavoidable, but where the rewards are literally out of this world. And while explosions make headlines and make us gasp, every successful launch, every booster returning home, every capsule landing safely, reminds us that progress is possible, that risk can be managed, and that ambition, paired with knowledge and courage, can overcome fear.